We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. 3 robots in motion, 4 robots in motion. Blue shooting. Nicely done. Picking up off the middle spike mark. Coming in to the gate. Shooting again. Landing. That blue classifier has been busy. Interesting belt drive on 26097, 26897, my apologies, to remove and handle a spinning gate controller. 7Cs, on the other hand, looking to score, pull ahead for Blue Alliance, 30700 in the red base.
Pick up your controllers.
Blue Alliance slightly ahead by about 15 points between the Roborioles and 7Cs.
3, 2, 1.
Knights of the ping pong table with their solid robotic design, picking up a lot of artifacts from the blue zone. Blue shooting again, missing 3 artifacts here from the... And again, the Roborioles and the partners, the 7Cs robot being fed by its human assistant. And spinning around here with this limelight to find the range. They land a purple artifact. Roborioles coming in, clearing the gate, feeding artifacts over to red, landing 3 in a row, green, green, purple. Didn't quite make the pattern, but that was impressive aim again. 7Cs shooting 3, landing 1. Every artifact counts. Red, very full. Here we go. And 7Cs coming back to get another turn. Knights of the Round Table looking for more artifacts to scoop up. They dart into the blue zone. They shoot 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately, those shots go wide. 26897, the Roborioles landing much better and clearing the blue ramp to fill up. That seems to be an effective strategy. 33748 doing something out of the usual, weight on our shoulders, coming in to pick up from the depot zone instead. They are a side intake robot that then shoots. They're shooting a little wide to my left at this moment. They're going to re-aim with their limelight and try again. Call on red in the gate zone by the referee. Knights of the ping pong table going back to clear their artifacts again from the red classifier. Pace of the game seems to be slowing down as we come to end game. Blue Alliance ahead by 30 points. Red catching up by about 10 points. 31 to 38. Not a lot of difference in artifacts, just about 7. Purple, green, purple. Still, 7Cs' robot seems to be immobilized against the far wall there. How are they going to park? That's going to be interesting to see. Roborioles caught short.
Belongs to the Red Alliance. With a score of 141-36, very close. 3 ranking points will mean a mixed bag of results for Red, whereas no ranking points means downward motion for Blue.